Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is featuring Mr. DJ, my A1 since day one, my first baby. So today's video is featuring my son, and I am finally giving him his braids that he has always wanted. This will be his first official braid, so if you want to see how I transform his hair to this, then make sure to keep on watching. I'm going to show you guys the whole braiding process. Yes, this was a struggle because Sun is very tender-headed.
She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Wow, you kept on watching. I love you for that. So let's get straight into the video. So I am just picking out his curls. When I tell you this little boy is so tender-headed, he's been begging me to braid his hair. And I've done a couple braids on him in the past before, but they've just been just some quick braids just to do it just because he kept asking me. But these are his first official clean, fresh set of braids that I actually put effort into making sure they looked nice and neat. But he is so tender-headed. I don't know if we're going to keep up with these braids, but definitely wanted to do this for him. I blow dry his hair out straight, and then I did also cut his hair. I did that off camera because you guys have already seen me cut his hair twice before. You don't need to see me my horrible cutting job, so I did that off camera, and I'm just going to get into the braiding process. This is kind of just going to be one of those videos where you guys just watch. There's not much explaining to do, but I hope you guys do enjoy the video. If you do, make sure to like. Be sure you subscribe to the channel for more braiding videos. If you're here to stay, then I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Y'all stay blessed, stay safe, and filled with love and peace.